Hello everyone, it's Hardcore Ninja here with another SFML side-scroller game engine tutorial, and hopefully today we'll be able to complete the editor. Okay, I just threw away two videos because I was banging my head around some bugs regarding the save. So I think I have my thoughts organized so I can jump in and fix these real fast. Okay, so when we last left off, and yeah, so I undid everything. So I'm back to where we were, alright, so you should be here. All right, you should be able to go in here and grab things like this and look at that, blah, 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 but it's not saving yet, okay? And we have no way to exit the editor other than to do that. So first things first, so let's go into tile map and fix some things that I found were wrong with here. Okay, so we initialize door name and tile type here, but we just throw tile rotation in here and we forgot to initialize it. And that's a problem because we call for this member variable, and I was banging my head like, what the hell's wrong with this? Because I just kept getting these weird rotations when I loaded the file, and that's what happens when you don't initialize your variables. You'll get weird information. You'll get just weird memory information and weird rotation values and stuff. Sometimes it'd be perfect. Sometimes you get like 1,000 for the rotation. It was just so weird. All right. So what I want to do is we can actually throw this all away in the edit variables right there. Just throw that away. Throw that comma away as well, and then go over here. Uh, Throw all that stuff away as well. So it's just like that. Ooh, no, don't do that. Let me undo this. Undo changes. Yeah, no, it's fine. Just undo everything. Undo everything. That's what I love about Git. All right, so we're gonna go to variables and throw that away and throw that away. Beautiful. So that's like that. Alrighty, and then you just want to delete up into this comma here, the edit variables, and then we can throw away this, move the extra space, and then put this tile rotation right there. And then we're just going to use initializers in the constructor here. And this is what you should probably do if you're just initializing stuff to incoming. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. And I want to do tile rotation, tile rotation. And I want to do door name, door name. Then I want to do tile type, tile type. And there we are. We should be good with that. Okay? Okay, now the next thing is you move down here. You go to the save. Okay, so there's a lot of big boo-boos in here. A lot of big boo-boos. Okay, so first of all, the order of this is all screwed up. And if you see here in editor, um, uh, if you see here in editor, yeah, this is all should be coming in like this, right? Should be coming in like this, like the tile size and this, and if yeah, it's just all messed up. It's just not good at all. It's just not good at all. No siree. All right. So you gotta move the tile size up here like this. You gotta make the map size is fine right there. You can get rid of this tile layers because we've already kind of hard coded that as a member variable. Um, cool, like that. Now the next thing, the next big boo boo, is this should be that X, and this should be the Y version. And then we forgot to increment here. Okay, so if you've done all of that, that should be good. Yep, go ahead and close that. And load file here, we got the order all messed up again. So should be like that. Okay, and you can actually initialize this directly into the member variable if you want. Okay, just like that. And then we can get rid of that. And that should be good. And that was everything that was wrong. And then you just go save all. Right? And now what we'll do is we'll go into, okay, you can also uncomment this in the editor constructor because we're about to use it. And then what we can do is we can go to editor.h. And then in editor.h down here, you can do a void update user input. Like that. And then we're going to do if keyboard is key pressed, keyboard key, this key binds met at, and then you can go to the editor key binds and copy this thing right here. That and this get input time. You can do this tile map save the file, and you can also do this get end state. And I'm sorry, I made a boo-boo. You're gonna want to comment this out for right now, and then you're gonna want to go into your tile map here, yeah, and get rid of this, and everything else should be fine. Okay, so you can actually get rid of this just to be extra safe. Just get rid of the 2 lines there. Then we go in here. All right, bam. Okay, we're still freezing. What the heck? Oh, that's right. Go into editor. We forgot to add this to the update down here. So now this update user input. All right. So now it should work. All right. We're saving that. Oh, get end state. This has got to be set end state true. Okay. And if you go to your tile map here, you can see it's saving. Looks like it's saving everything just fine. Okay. Great. All right. Awesome. And we see 2 nulls there, so that means we have 2 there. The null is the door name, remember? Okay, great. Now I can go into editor and uncomment this. Okay, what's going on here? Failed to open the tile path. Okay. Oh, the issue is down here. Okay, so we got the tile size. We got the tile size. We got the tile size. We got the tile position. Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on? Load from file, 316. Okay, so while okay. Oh, no, we got the tile layers, we got this, we got that. Tile size, this. Tile rotation, door name. Oh, what the heck, what the heck? So the tile position is being read from there. The load from file, what the heck? All right. I thought that was everything. The file path. Okay. We got 32, 48, 32. Map size, map size. Oh, we got the tile layers is still here. I think. Yeah. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, woo. Put one here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's remembering it. It's remembering it all. All right, yeah, so remember to get rid of the tile layers right there. Okay, awesome. Okay, that was a lot. I'm going to call this its own video. And let's go ahead and commit this now that we have it working and we never have to worry about this again. So commit and save. So yeah, we're not going to fix the whole thing today. All right, so here we go. Tile map, fix tile map, save bugs. Okay. So tile map dot h, the tile part. One, change this. Right. Two, that. And then 2 changed. No, we didn't. That's all we changed in the whole thing. All right, so that's fine. All right, then tile map dot cpp. CPP? PP. Added. No change. Two. Two change. Two. Okay. Then tile map CPP, the tile map part of it. Okay. Well, we changed two. Okay. And then 2, we changed two. And one more thing I want to do is I want to static cast this because it's an unsigned int. Static cast float because it's a float. It needs to be a float when it enters the yeah. And I also want to std floor this motherfucker. Oh, floor that guy like that. Nope. I want to floor you. All right. And then I guess I want to floor this too. So that's a vector 2f std floor floor x and do the same thing with this y. Just make sure those positions and everything are completely floored. Okay, let's just run this to make sure that it works. Cool, look at that. Cool. Okay, cool. And so I think the color coding is changing the colors a little bit. Not 100% sure about that. It also could be I gotta see about that. That's kind of weird. Let me oh, oh, okay. So okay, so there is something weird going on with the with how we're saving the int rec. I think I know what it is. We go back here. Um, Go back to save file here. Let me check out something. I'm saving the file. Oh, I think I know. Ah, I didn't change this. All right, so this has to be left. Okay, that has to be left. In the get info as string, that has to be left, not width. That's another thing I fixed. I just forgotten about. So let's get rid of all this now, and now, bada boom, bada bing, good. All right, and this just always defaults to. All right, so now that's all good in the hood now. All right, so that's another thing I fixed. I completely forgot about. We had put width here. It's got to be left. Okay, now it should be good. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So going back to committing this, commit. All right. And now tile map.cpp in the tile portion of this. All right. So this was number 1. All right. And then number 2. Yeah. All right. So now number 3, what we did. We already got that. We 3 we changed. See the beauty of doing this too. Here. Cool. Excellent. Great. All right. So now we're moving on. Okay. So there we go. Load a tile map 2. Let's go back down here. Okay. Wait. Yeah, anything related to the size and position of tiles, when you're dealing with a lot of little tiles right next to one another, you gotta floor that. Okay, and that should be it. That should be good. Nothing else. Editor.h. Okay, that's all we added. Okay. Editor.cpp. This is probably the most complicated part of the entire series, to be honest. Everything else should be much easier, I think. Okay, cool. So 1 changed. Got rid of an extra space there, I guess. 2. 2. Uncommented this in this. And 3. Added this. And then 4 added this to update user input. So we added this to update. All right, I think that's it. Cool. Let's just run it one last time. All right, a pretty little tile map is loaded. We can exit. We can come back. And it's all going to be there. All is good as the hood. Now we can save. We can save. We can leave the program. No worries. Whew. Awesome. Sweet. All right, I'm calling this a video. We'll finish this up later. Bye-bye.